One of the biggest pieces of business advice you hear very often is to set a plan. But one of the problems with plans is that it's nothing if you don't do anything with it. So one of the things that happens a lot is that we spend so much time planning, but not a lot of time implementing, not a lot of time on actually doing the things that lead us to the goal that we're going after. And one of the things about plans also is that they're not even perfect. Just because you create a plan doesn't mean it's going to flow perfectly. I've had some cases where I have to course correct literally the day after that I create a plan, just because there are a lot of variables within a plan, a lot of things that have to work perfectly in order for you to get the results that you're going after. So what you need to do is, yes, planning is still important. It's still something that you need to be doing, but you need to be acting a lot more than you already are, because through taking action, you get to your results, and you also get to course correct more quickly. You can spend like a week or a month creating this perfect plan, but then what happens is there's something unanticipated that happens, and then you have to restructure that plan. So it's better to plan as you do, take more action, go towards your visions instead of spending all this time planning. So spend less time planning, have this macro overview. That's what you should be planning. Don't go too deep into the micro in the beginning. And then once you are taking action, that's when you can review what you're doing and then create a better plan based on what you've been doing and the results that you've been seeing.